Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm co-hosting the Can't Sleep Creations Collaborations Free-for-All with my good friends Annie from Crafting with Indie Annie Jones, Monica from Up All Night DIY, and Dawn from Shabby Meets Bling. In today's video I'm going to be doing two picture frames that I got from the thrift store, and I'm making them into Christmas decor. So here's a frame that I already had painted up this way, and really quick and easy is just to decoupage some kind of sheet music. This is something I printed off of Creative Fabrica, and I'm just going to glue it to some cardstock, and I'm just going to use a glue stick for this, but you can use any kind of glue that you want to. But right now I'm just going to trace it where I need to cut it off, and I'm going to cut my edges off. So I don't want to glue the cardstock to the back of my frame. I'm just going to be piecing it in there, but I'm just going to go ahead and do my scrapbook paper, get it glued on to this cardstock, and then I'll get it placed inside the frame. All right, now just need to embellish it a little bit. This is kind of falling out. Hold on, gotta stick those back in the slots. So I have this really cute pick here that I'm going to cut off this end because it's just a little bit too long, and well, this is really hard to cut, let me tell you. It's really thick. I'll try cutting it down here. Alright, let's work this. Goodness. I think I need better clippers or stronger hands. Alright, so what I want to do is I just kind of want to show the We Wish You Merry Christmas at the top and just glue this pick here, and I have this other little pick here that kind of coordinates just to cover up the brown part, but I don't want to use the gold on here because I'm not doing gold. I'll be doing gold on the next one. This one's mainly just going to be white, silver, and red. Alright, so I'm just going to hot glue this, tack it in a few spots, just put lots of hot glue down. So I'm just gonna tack a couple more pieces here, because you know this frame is going to be standing up and you don't want it flipping down on you. Alright, now that that is done, I am going to take a few pieces here from another pick just to kind of fill this spot in so you don't see all that brown. Now we'll just tuck it about right there. I'll go ahead and glue that in, and then I'll put that other piece in between right there just to kind of give it more of a filler. Okay, now you could leave it like this. You could put some ribbon on it, but I'm not going to use ribbon. I want to add one more thing, and that is this cute little jingle bell. All right, that is all I'm doing to this. See, quick, easy, simple, and you got a nice little pretty piece of decor. For my next frame, this is another thrift store frame. This is the way it came. I didn't ever change it. And I just cut a piece of cardboard. I put some cardstock on it to make it more smooth, because you know cardboard can have ridges. And I printed off 4 pieces here from Creative Fabrica that has some musical instruments on it. And you'll see the reason why I'm using this paper. So I'm just going to cut my edges off here, get all the white trimmed off. So that one I'm going to glue at the top, and here I'm just going to rip this. I'm going to have rough edges. The first one's going to be the way it is, but this one I'm going to go ahead and get the white cut off of it also. I'm going to have to piece all these 4 together, so I got to have some rough edges here. So they're making it, you know, a little more, I don't know, is it really rustic or whatever you want to call it? I'm just trying to figure out where to line it up at, and then I'll have to get these 2 cut also. So I'm going to glue these down, and just using my glue stick here, as you can see, this is the last piece that I'm going to put on. Just going to tack it down here first. And go ahead and get this little edge on here too. You can Mod Podge on, but I thought I would just do this. Go ahead and get lots of glue. Smooth it down, and then I'll have to trim it. Add just a little bit more glue here on the edges there. All right. And now the next thing I want to do is take my dark antique wax, and I'm going to go around all these little hairs first. Just kind of darken them up. All right. I also want to add a little bit more darkness here and there on each of the 4 pages. Make it a little more antique-y looking. That's the word I was thinking of, more antique-y looking. You gotta get this popped back into the frame. I had it where it would fit really tight. Okay, and you could leave it just like this if you want to, but I gotta do embellishments. So these are some ornaments that I got off a wreath from a thrift store many years ago. I'm just gonna cut off the little tabs for the string to go on because I'm not gonna ever use them as ornaments. They're just plastic. And I'm gonna be hot gluing these on in 2 different spots here. So I'm thinking I wanna have this one going like that and this one going there. I'm also going to take my gold metallic paint and add some more gold to it. It has a little bit on here, but not enough. I want a lot more of the gold. I also have this berry pick here and this, and I believe I got these at Hobby Lobby many years ago. So I'm just going to go ahead and dry brush on a bunch of the gold here. And I like how these ornaments already have this brown color, and it kind of, coordinates with this paper with the brown in it. So I'm going to have to hot glue these down, and I'm just going to try to figure out where to put these. Now, for some reason, my camera messed up. I'm sorry. It didn't show me gluing down the ornaments and some of the berry picks there. I also found this one here that I have. It's just like the one I used in the previous one with the red, but it's got the gold and the cream color, and I think this is the only one I have. I really like this one. These were also from Hobby Lobby many, many years ago. So I want to put these gold pine cones in here too that I have. Tuck in a few more of these berries. And a few more of these that have the berry, the gold berries with the cream berries in it. I also have this pick with these berry clusters that are gold, so this is a great fill-in too. I think that looks really pretty. And I'm going to go ahead and do something in the top corner. I already had this wired mesh ribbon made into a bow that I used on something else. I found it in my stash, so I'm just going to hot glue this up at the top corner here. And I will add some more of those berries that I used down at the bottom corner. And I'm also going to use some of the greenery that came off of the pick that had the red berries in it. I just realized you can pop those green things off. Let's get that popped off. I don't like that green. Let's get that off. There we go. So I'm just going to hot glue 3 of these pieces in here. I'm thinking about putting a pine cone, but I think that's just too big. Got a little bit more of this gold. Gold greenery, I guess. Yeah. Came off of another pick, and that one put in there. The last one in right there. And I like these little pieces here that have the little twisty wire with a little bit of green leaves on it. So I'm going to go ahead and use 2 of these and just hot glue them in. All right, so that's all I'm going to do for this, and let's see how I styled both of them. So with this frame, I added my cute little Hush Santa here that I got from Hobby Lobby many years ago. All right, my sweet friends, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please be sure to check out everybody's videos. I have the playlist link down below in my description box, along with all the host channel links. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.